ban plilat plinti ki khon Samla ka ribhoi district ban Shem Kabu ban pentebet yalade ha ka ban Aireng ha ki Eksamin Thungkam apher ka office udapti commissioner ribhoi mentaka singi lai phau tarik jeliu klapli pat ba ek program ai Jinghikai ha Nongpoh constituency bahap ha ka umling siana di block ha ribhoi district yakane ka program ai Jinghikai an penlong ha ki ribhoi college Bat yakane ka program ai Jinghikai shiki khon Samla la pendong ha baro ki blok jong ka ribhoi district. Kani ka program ka deishi benta na ka Chief Minister's Career Guidance and Counselling Scheme ka beri ka scheme kerpang ban hikai pentebet yaki Samla ha ka bala pendong da ka office Deputy Commissioner ribhoi rengkat ka jingat railang ki MLA bat ka Triumphant Institute of Management of Education time Shillong Guwahati. Haba peli yakani ka program ai Jinghikai yaki Samla ladon rengkat UMLA ka Nongpoh ba Melbourne CM ha ka jingdan lang u Abhilash Baranwal IAS Deputy Commissioner u ba Eric Kevin Dekar BDO Umling CNR Block u Somen Das Director Time Shillong Guwahati lambat ki Samla ki bala simbenta ha kani ka program kerpang haba ajing kran ha kani ka sngi na do ba Melbourne CM ba du Abhilash Baranwal kila ai man CM ki Samla ka ribhoi ba ki de ban Shem Kabu hapadon kum kini kijat program. Kadaw bak sorkar kabu yakani ka program ai Jinghikai lengba ka Chief Minister's Career Guidance and Counselling Scheme kalong ban pentebet yaki Samla baki day ban tip yaki lad kilenti haba ki yakun yaki nu ki exam niki kam ki bala ban ai jing mentoy hakalawe jong ka jing em jong ki.
Department, education, social welfare, but then kadang ketika sini, kemudian I receive nak benta jong di pun Samla kiri, apa kadang kadang. Bukan kini kita program kelong kita Thungkam untuk kata. Nakalian jong sorka, nakalian ke jong Chief Minister jong Khuborjylla kini. Nakalian ke DBMNTv, nakalian ke office yang Deputy Commissioner, kita ngejengit tray rengkat ban penting kena, ban pun Samla gitu ni, yo yang di Jinghikai gitu biang, Khuborjylla ban kompit, ya exam ya, kemudian NEHU kaban kompit lagi di Thungkam aku juga waktu di mana appear yang exam security bagi giveaway kuno create jadi lane berkuno appointed pas jadi long di mana kita tunjuk ke bawah jadi nanti kita tolong ke bawah sana kita buat hak korban sedang bagi yang apply online ini bagi donar apply mantak sini ada extension program kan ini ada dari community hanya di sini di Banwan Nongpoh di enroll di Bandung penyesok jadi berkata kerja. Kini kami jadi sedang, kami jadi good, kami jadi dengan Bteng Prokram. Kumbala susu highway di sini ada blok tu, kami program ada. Bagi dan di Shillong, di blok, di bagi pun Samla, di buat pun hawan enroll jadi. Kemudian di kita, kau ini di blok di pun hawan jadi berpokok lagi hamduna. Jadi tak kena kejeng kedu kedengai ni kalau matang seni ya kena ketemu untuk video pun ini. Kalau Thungkam bersiu dor, kalau free Thungkam bersiu. Kemudian lagi coaching center hotel bila mendai private sudah Shillong dan NEHU hati dan NEHU haban siu kedua keberem. Ini nak kalian pergi gila syangkat pala ban how kilat keliti nak benta ban yo yang kena free coaching nak kaya idon nak pergi di berandang di kuliah undergraduate dan graduate sedang di bawah pas graduate dan post graduate kita di bawah training nak pergi di kami dari bawah kosan kalau nak buat video yang ini Jinghikai kalau buat atem yang jengkeli penuh kita biar exams but ini bersuatu di aptitude test.
What economic sector are very good. We would like to hear from you as well that how has the coaching progress, whether it has helped you or not. This is the second round of, so this is the second edition of free coaching program that has been organized in Khubor College. Last year also a free coaching program was given, and at that time the response was quite good. That was also combined. That was also a combination of morning and evening sessions. The overall idea is that you should get the exposure. They are also providing you some career guidance so that you can make appropriate choices, relevant choices which are more befitting of the current times. Simultaneously, they will be providing you exposure with regard to the different subjects which are required to be studied when it comes to competitive examinations, whether it is quant, whether it is verbal reasoning, whether it is logical reasoning, data interpretation, etc. The idea for you, this is a 6-week coaching program. The idea is that to be able to give you sufficient exposure, but I know that it will not be sufficient. 6 weeks may not be sufficient for all. However, given the feedback that we have received, 6 weeks is the ideal time, because if it goes for too long, then the interest of the students also start declining. So that's why we have kept it for 6 weeks. It will give you sufficient exposure, but the ultimate outcome, whether it benefits you or not, will depend much more on you as compared to the teachers. They'll do their part, will take your feedback, but then ultimately whether you are going to use whatever you have been taught is ultimately up to you. Whatever they are teaching you may not be sufficient. You may have to go and check some. If you have not understood, please ask them questions. They are here for you. Ask them repeatedly if you have not been able to understand, because ultimately whether you understand or not, a lot depends on you. So if you are going to just sit passively and not question them back, then it's of no use at all. And the way we have timed it is that we are going to have DSC examination very soon, probably in the month of August or September. So the idea is that whatever you have been taught will be fresh in your mind, and if you have worked hard at your home also, if you have used these concepts and honed your skills, then it should help you in your DSC examination.